Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 912 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, HIVE has posted a corporate update. CleanSpark has announced a threefold increase in its Bitcoin mining hash rate in just 1 year, and Netcoins has launched in the USA. But just before we jump into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Right, so HIVE Blockchain Technologies Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol HIVE, has announced a corporate update for 2022. This included strategic acquisitions such as the purchase of 1,540 S19J Pro miners at an average hash rate of 104 terahash per second, which are expected to produce over 159 petahash per second, and the purchase of 100 S19J Pro miners at an average hash rate of 98 terahash per second, which are expected to produce over 9 petahash per second. According to the press release, these acquisitions, along with the company's existing fleet, are expected to increase HIVE's overall global Bitcoin production capacity by approximately 20% within the same operating footprint of electrical infrastructure. In effect, this upgrade is expected to therefore reduce the average break-even production price by approximately 20%. Next up today, CleanSpark Inc., which trades on the NasDaq under the ticker symbol CLSK, has announced that its Bitcoin mining hash rate has reached 6 exahash per second. This is a threefold increase in just 1 year. The company, according to the press release, owns and operates 4 Bitcoin mining campuses in the state of Georgia, operating a fleet of approximately 62,000 Bitcoin mining machines. CleanSpark CEO Zach Bradford said, quote, "As we said in our earnings call last week, we expected to hit 6 exahash per second before year's end, and today we are pleased to announce that we have. This achievement is in part due to some of the machines that we are hosting for Mawson being moved out earlier than anticipated. Of course, that only tells a portion of the story. The real achievement here is the tremendous work being done by our operational teams who continue to rack machines even in Georgia's currently frigid temperatures." End quote. Lastly, for today, Netcoins, the online cryptocurrency brokerage subsidiary of BIGG Digital Assets Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker BIGG, has launched its service in the United States effective immediately. It's initially available in the states of California, Michigan, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and Missouri. Fraser Matthews, the president of Netcoins, says, quote, "Netcoins is dedicated to bringing its safe, secure, and transparent brand of crypto trading to the USA. We rebuilt our entire platform from the ground up to ensure that Americans are getting an incredible user experience alongside a great product. We partnered with Jumio, Sardine, Plaid, Clue, and Modern Treasury to power our platform and take our technology stack to the next level. Netcoins is available on mobile, iOS and Android, offering 35 coins for trading. Netcoins will launch in more states while adding new coins and staking services slated to go live during the first half of 2023. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol APCX.